Welcome to my third video. Another week, another big AI drop. This time, OpenAI has unveiled GPT 4.5 and it's bringing some major changes. But how much of a leap is it really? Is this a true step toward more advanced AI or just another refinement of what we already have? There's a lot to break down, from what's new, how it performs, and what it means for AI's future. We will also look at some interesting insights, and at the end, you know the drill, a quiz to test your AI knowledge and, of course, a cool car sound check. Let's get into it. OpenAI calls GPT 4.5 their largest and most advanced model yet, focusing more on unsupervised learning than reasoning. What does that mean? Essentially, GPT 4.5 has been trained on more data with better optimization techniques to improve accuracy and reduce hallucinations. One of the key improvements is that it now feels more natural, intuitive, and emotionally aware in conversations. OpenAI is making AI not just smarter, but also better at understanding human intent. This is an interesting shift because instead of just pushing reasoning models, they're focusing on making AI more fluid and reliable in real-world interactions. Now let's talk numbers. GPT 4.5 was tested on factual accuracy, reasoning tasks, and creative problem solving. Across the board, it outperformed previous models, including GPT 4o, OpenAI o1, and o3 Mini, with better factual consistency and fewer hallucinations. But here's something to keep in mind. GPT 4.5 doesn't actually think before responding. Unlike OpenAI's reasoning-focused models, which go step by step before generating an answer, this model prioritizes fluency and intuition. That means it's faster and feels more natural, but it also relies more on its pre-trained world knowledge rather than deep logical reasoning. It's great for everyday tasks, but if you need step-by-step logic, say for complex math or scientific proofs, you might still prefer OpenAI's reasoning models. So where does GPT 4.5 shine? Several key areas. Better understanding of human intent. It can interpret context more accurately. Stronger emotional intelligence useful for personalized writing, communication, and coaching. Enhanced creativity, making it a powerful tool for content creation and brainstorming. More capable in coding and engineering tasks, meaning it can now write and debug code more effectively. One fun example of its social awareness was in a test where GPT 4.5 was asked to draft a message to a friend who keeps cancelling plans. Instead of just following orders, it suggested a polite but firm response, acknowledging frustration without being overly negative. In contrast, the older GPT 4o simply followed instructions and drafted a blunt, frustrated message. This shows that GPT 4.5 is getting better at reading between the lines and adapting to human emotions. The shift in focus here is clear. Instead of just making AI better at logic and problem solving, OpenAI is working on making AI more adaptable to real-world interactions. This raises an interesting question. As AI becomes better at communication and emotional intelligence, will we start relying on it for more than just technical tasks? If AI models can hold meaningful, emotionally nuanced conversations, they could become integrated into education, mental health support, and even creative collaborations in ways we haven't seen before. Of course, GPT 4.5 is still far from perfect. While hallucinations have been reduced, they haven't been eliminated entirely. And since it doesn't reason in steps, it can still make mistakes when faced with highly complex problems that require structured thought. Then there's the biggest debate. Sam Altman said GPT 4.5 gave more of an AGI moment than he expected. What does that mean? Some believe this model is part of OpenAI's broader shift toward more powerful AI architectures. Others think it's just another strong chatbot, and we're overhyping it. Either way, one thing is clear, OpenAI is gradually closing the gap between specialized reasoning models and more general, human-like intelligence. But let's be honest, if AGI was actually here, OpenAI, I wouldn't just drop it in a blog post. Alright, Now for your AI quiz. First, machine learning. Misconception. Why might increasing the dataset size actually decrease a model's performance? 2. The coding brain teaser. What is one situation where list.removeX in Python might behave unexpectedly? Drop your answers in the comments and I will pin the correct ones. That is it for this video. We will keep an eye on what OpenAI does next because GPT-5 is already being hinted at. Until then, stay curious, stay passionate, and thanks for watching. Before you go, listen to this.